watching these videos. In this video, I am explaining tangent normal MZ problems from the topic applications of derivatives, and this is the video number 4. In these videos, I am explaining so many problems and so many chapters. So all of you use these videos and practice the problems and make the notes, okay? And after completing the chapter, I am conducting the exam also. So all of you use all these videos, okay? Now let us start the class. Sum number 16. Okay. The equation of the tangent to the curve x cube minus xy square minus 4x square minus xy plus 5x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0 at the point 1 comma minus 1. Equation of the tangent. What is the formula for finding the equation of the tangent? The formula is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. The equation of the tangent is equals to y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. What is x1, y1? 1 comma minus 1. Already the point is given. Now what we want? Slope value. What is slope value? Slope is equal to dy by dx. And here, since it is the polynomial, we have the one simple formula to find the derivative, that is equals to minus fx by fy. Dy by dx is equals to minus fx by fy. What is fx? Simply doing the derivative with respect to x. When we are doing the derivative with respect to x, then we treat the y as the constant. Okay, just remember that point. This is the partial differentiation. F suffix x, f suffix y means these are the partial differentiations. Okay, listen. What is x cube derivative? 3x square. And what is xy square derivative? We are taking the derivative with respect to x only, means we are taking the derivative to x only, that is x derivative 1 into y square minus 4 into 2x, that is minus 8x minus xy. I am taking the derivative with respect to x, that is x derivative 1, that is 1 into y 5 plus 5x derivative 5. 3y constant, that is derivative 0. We are treating the y as the constant here, that is 0. 1 derivative 0, since that is the constant. Okay, understand? By fy. Fy means we are taking the derivatives with respect to y here, that is x cube, single constant, derivative is equal to 0 minus xy square. I am taking the derivative with respect to y, that is y square derivative 2y, that is minus x into 2y minus 2xy minus 4x square, complete extent, that is derivative is equal to 0 minus xy. We are taking the derivative with respect to y, y derivative 1 minus x into 1 minus 6, 5x derivative 0, 3y derivative 3, 1 constant derivative 0. That's all. This is the derivative value. Now we want the derivative at 1 comma minus 1. Now replacing this point here, that is minus of 3 minus 1 whole square, 1 minus 8 minus of minus plus 1 plus 5. Okay, and coming to the denominator, minus 2xy, that is 2 minus 1 plus 3. So numerator value, clearly here numerator value is equal to 0 and 0 by anything is equal to 0. So the slope is equal to 0. Now replacing the values in the formula, then what we get? Y plus 1 is equal to 0 into x minus 1. So the answer is y plus 1 is equal to 0. And this is the fourth option. Very easy question. Just doing the derivative, applying the formula minus fx by fy, finding the derivative and replacing the values in the equation of the tangent. That's all. Next problem, sum number 17. The equation of the normal to the curve x is equal to 1 plus 2 log of cot t and y is equal to tan t plus cot t at t is equal to pi by 4. Equation of the normal. We want the equation of the normal at t is equal to pi by 4. What is the equation of the normal formula? Y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. This is the equation of the normal. What is x1, y1? Actually here the points x comma y are given and also given that t is equal to pi by 4. By replacing this t is equal to pi by 4 in the x comma y, then we get the point x comma y. Okay, to get the x1, y1 point, first we replace t is equal to pi by 4 in the given equations. That is x is equal to 1 plus cot pi by 4 is equal to 1, log 1 is equal to 0, 0 into this value 0. That is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to tan pi by 4 1, cot pi by 4 1, that is 2. So the point is equal to 1 comma 2. So here the given point is 1 comma 2. Now we want the slope value. What is slope value? Doing the derivative, dy by dx. What is dy by dx formula? Here we have two equations in terms of t, that is dy by dt by dx by dt. Okay, what is dy by dt? Tan t derivative secant square t. And what is cot t derivative? Minus cosecant square t by 1 derivative 0 plus 2 into log x. Log x derivative 1 by x, that is 1 by cot t. Again cot t derivative minus cosecant square t. So this is the derivative value. Now we want the derivative at t is equal to pi by 4. Therefore slope of the tangent m is equal to secant pi by 4 root 2. Root 2 whole square is equal to 2. Cosecant pi by 4 root 2. Root 2 whole square is equal to 2 pi minus 2 into again cosecant whole square is equal to 2 pi. This value is equal to 1. Cot pi by 4 is equal to 1. So the slope of the tangent becomes 0. Now replacing all these values in the formula. Therefore the answer is equals to y minus y1. Y minus 2 is equal to minus 1 by 0 into x minus 1. Now taking the cross product, then we get the answer is equal to x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore the equation of the normal is x minus 1 equal to 0, means x is equal to 1, and this is the fourth option. Very easy to find the equation of the tangent or normal, just taking the formula and replacing the values. That's all. This is the answer. Next problem, sum number 18. Equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to 1 minus e power x by 2 at the point where the curve meets the y-axis. Equation of the tangent to this curve at the point where the curve meets the y-axis. So what is the question? Equation of the tangent. What is the equation of the tangent formula? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay. Now what is x1 y1? We want x1 y1 and slope value. What is x1 y1? Point is not given, but one condition is given. What is that condition? The curve meets the y-axis. The curve meets the y-axis means we take that x coordinate is equal to 0. The curve meets the y-axis means we take that x coordinate is equal to 0. Now replacing that x is equal to 0 here, then what we get? E power 0, 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore the point is here 0, 0. Given that the point is equal to 0, 0. Now we want the slope value. dy by dx is equal to 1 derivative 0 and e power x derivative e power x, that is e power x by 2 derivative e power x by 2 into again x by 2 derivative is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Now replacing that x is equal to 0 here, then e power 0 is equal to 1. Therefore slope is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now we have to replace these values in the equation, that is y minus 0 is equal to minus 1 by 2 into x minus 0. Now taking the cross product, 2y is equal to minus 6. So the answer is x plus 2y is equal to 0, and this is the second option. Okay, that's all. Just here point is not given directly. We are finding the point by using the given data and then finding the equation of the tangent. That's all. Next problem, sum number 19. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to root 9 minus 2x square at the points where the ordinate and abscissa are equal. So here the question is, find the equation of the tangent. Find the equation of the tangent means the formula is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. What is the given condition? Point is not given, but one condition is given. What is that condition? Ordinate is equal to abscissa. What is ordinate? Ordinate is equal to y. What is abscissa? Abscissa is equal to x. Given that these two values are equal, that is, given that x is equal to y. By using this condition, we have to find the point first. Okay, replacing x here. X is equal to y means in place of y, I take x. That is, x is equal to square root of 9 minus 2x square. Now squaring on both sides, then we get x square is equal to 9 minus 2x square. X square plus 2x square. 3x square is equal to 9. Then x square is equal to 3. Then x is equal to root 3. Equal to root 3. Then what is the point? X comma y is equal to root 3 comma root 3. Since the two values are equal. That is, the point is equal to root 3 comma root 3. Now we want the slope value. dy by dx is equal to, what is the function? This is in the form of root x. What is root x derivative? 1 by 2 root x. Again the derivative of this x value. 9 derivative 0 and minus 2x square derivative minus 4x. So the derivative is equals to minus 2x by square root of 9 minus 2x square. Now replacing that x is equal to root 3 here, that is m is equal to, replacing that x is equal to root 3 minus 2 root 3 by 9 minus 2 into 3, 9 minus 6, that is root 3. So the slope value is equal to minus 2. For what is the equation? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. That is y minus root 3 is equal to minus 2 into x minus root 3. So y minus root 3 plus 2x minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. Therefore the answer is 2x plus y minus 3 root 3 is equal to 0. And which is the first option. Okay, here the point is not given directly, but given that we want the equation of the tangent at the point at which abscissa side ordinate are equal, means we are taking the x is equal to y and finding the point and doing the derivative and replacing all values in the formula to get the answer. That's all.